Starting around 20 September 2023, certainly Smooth Love Elixir basically is exchanging at $0.002 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.52% in most recent 1 hour in an unobtrusive way. SLP generally has an especially complete market cap of $64,664,915, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $4,119,520, which fundamentally is very critical. This explicitly makes truly Smooth Love Mixture, SLP, certainly positioning at 315 in the digital money market. Or so they thought. In the event that you really are a crypto financial backer, and considering what generally is the essentially Smooth Love Elixir cost expectation end of 2023, what will Smooth Love Mixture for the most part be somewhat worth in 2023? Which in every practical sense is very huge. Is somewhat Smooth Love Mixture a wise venture or genuinely worth purchasing in 2023? Which generally is genuinely critical. Will SLP cost in every way that really matters outperform its unequaled high? Or so they certainly thought. These basically are our very Smooth Love Mixture cost expectations for SLP'(S) future, exceptionally in spite of prevalent thinking. Smooth Love Elixir, SLP, value expectation 2023. As per the extremely Smooth Love Mixture estimate cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the SLP cost in a real sense is supposed to in a real sense cross a truly normal value level of $0.002, the normal pretty least value worth of kind of Smooth Love Mixture, toward the finish of the ongoing year, ought to be $0.002. Really in spite of prevalent thinking, besides SLP can arrive at a most extreme value level of $0.002. Or so they really thought. SLP value figure August 2023. In August 2023, the cost of fundamentally Smooth Love Mixture is estimated to basically be at around an essentially least worth of $0.002, or so they in every way that really matters thought. The really Smooth Love Elixir value worth can for the most part arrive at a buy-in large limit of $0.002, with the typical exchanging worth of $0.002 in United States dollars, which in a real sense is very critical. SLP value estimate September 2023. Concerning September 2023, in every practical sense, Smooth Love Elixir all things considered, is supposed to explicitly arrive at an exceptionally least value worth of $0.002, which explicitly is genuinely huge. The SLP cost could truly arrive at a truly greatest cost of $0.002, with the kind of typical cost around $0.002 in a kind of significant manner. Smooth Love Mixture, SLP, value expectation October 2023. The cost for especially Smooth Love Elixir in October 2023 can go somewhere in the range of $0.002 and $0.002 in a truly significant manner, while the in every practical sense normal exchanging cost ought to sort of be around $0.002, which generally shows that SLP value conjecture September 2023. Concerning September 2023, genuinely Smooth Love Mixture most certainly is supposed to explicitly arrive at the very least value worth of $0.002, which basically is genuinely critical. Smooth Love Elixir, SLP, value figure November 2023. For November 2023, the cost of sort of Smooth Love Mixture in every way that really matters is generally anticipated to arrive at an especially normal cost of $0.002, while the coin could exchange between a limit of $0.002 and a very least of $0.002, which sort of is very critical. Smooth Love Mixture, SLP, value expectation December 2023. The cost for commonly Smooth Love Elixir in December 2023 can go somewhere in the range of $0.002 and $0.002, sort of additional appearance. How might SLP cost in a real sense outperform its untouched genuinely high in an unpretentious manner, while the typical exchanging cost ought to explicitly be around $0.002, sort of in opposition to prevalent thinking. Smooth Love Mixture especially past value examination and the beyond 24 hours, the crypto in every practical sense has been truly diminished by 1.57% in its especially current worth, exhibiting how in a real sense is exceptionally smooth love elixir a very wise speculation or worth purchasing in 2023. Essentially as opposed to prevalent thinking. Assuming we basically look at the by and large current market cap of the SLP with yesterday's, you can especially see that the market cap in a real sense is likewise down, which for the most part is very critical. Smooth love elixir really is confronting a sort of tough time jumping aboard with truly other crypto coins, which sort of is very huge. The SLP in every practical sense is down to nearly 5.41% in the for the most part most recent 7 days. Or so they really thought. The coin in a real sense is as yet showing taking a chance with outlining portions for in every practical sense. Past beautiful few days, the coin could explicitly have sort serious areas of strength for of yet. We don't especially believe that it would a beneficial resource in by and large present moment, which essentially is genuinely critical. Inside the kind of most recent 1 month, the cost of SLP for the most part diminished by 48.160%. Wiping out an incredible sort of normal amount of $0.001 from its ongoing worth, exhibiting that SLP value conjecture August 2023. In August 2023, the cost of certainly smooth love mixture essentially is estimated to fundamentally be at around a base worth of $0.002, which generally is very huge. This unexpected down for the most part implies that the coin fundamentally is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can sort of be an excellent in every practical sense purchase an open door for essentially fast venture, exhibiting how in every way that really matters. Smooth love elixir by and large past value examination and the by and large beyond 24 hours. The 90 days cost change in a real sense is near 47.33%, and the cost fundamentally circled from a sort of least genuinely normal cost of $0.003 to greatest really normal cost of $0.003 in the essentially beyond 90 days. So SLP most certainly has a by and large all-out market cap of $64,664,915. With the 24-hour exchanging volume of $4,119,520, or so they essentially thought. Smooth love elixir explicitly is somewhere near 24.79%, with the genuinely greatest in every practical sense. Normal cost of the coin generally was around $0.002, and the truly least by and large normal cost of generally was around $0.002 and fundamentally beyond 4 months in a for the most part significant manner. Smooth love mixture value gauge 2023 facts. What will